Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 4 of NEWvember accountability plan for the WW Points program. So if you'd like to see what I eat today, come on along and share the day with me. I'm starting off with a iced coffee, Stoke brand, and then I'm going to add some Premier protein in the cafe latte flavor as the cream. Count that iced coffee as 1 point. The rest of my breakfast, I am having a bowl of pumpkin spice Cheerios. It was a limited edition that I had bought and I have not tried it yet. So I'm having that, a piece of 45 calorie toast with 1 teaspoon of peanut butter and a sliced up banana. So this is going to be a 9-point breakfast, which includes the iced coffee. For dinner, I am making slow cooker chicken. It's a French dip recipe, and I put about 2 pounds in the slow cooker. Then I'm sauteing some onions in some light butter and olive oil. Then I'm going to place the onions on top of the chicken. Then I'm going to pour in 3 cups of chicken broth, the fat-free. This is what I use. And then I added 2 tablespoons of flour to 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to add some minced garlic, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And then I'm going to add some pepper and salt to taste to the mixture. And you're supposed to use kosher salt, but I did not have any. And then I'm going to add that mixture of Worcestershire sauce and flour that I did. And then once that is mixed up, I'm going to cook it on low for about 7 hours. For lunch, I'm having a grilled cheese sandwich. I made it in the air fryer. It's 2 points for the bread and 2 points for the Velveeta cheese. And I used some butter spray. And I have some fruit there, some raspberries and blueberries, and a 2-point package of WW salt and vinegar chips. So that is a 4-point lunch. And I'm also having a Diet Pepsi with that. Say hi.
Hi!
We're taking a walk today, getting some steps in. Grandma and Ellie.
Yeah!
Yay! Say you're the cheesy girl.
I'm the cheesy girl.
She's the cheesy girl. She ate Cheetos. I didn't. Throw them up in the air. See the winds are blowing. Throw them. Woo! Yay! Ellie. Ellie, say hi.
Hi.
And there is my dinner for tonight. I have the chicken sandwiches. It's a chicken Philly melt. I have 1 point's worth of Trader Joe's light mozzarella cheese. And this roll is a 3-point baguette from Trader Joe's. And this roll is a 1-point keto bun from Aldi's. And those are some delicata squash fries that I put in the air fryer. And this is the dip. So this is a 6-point dinner. And it looks pretty yummy. I've never made this before, but we'll see. I'm having this pure protein bar as a snack. It is 6 points for this birthday cake flavored protein bar. So we're gonna see how this tastes. This is what the protein bar looks like. I decided to only eat half for 3 points, and I'll save the other half for another time. Tonight I am having 30 grams of garden salsa sun chips for 4 points, along with a Diet Pepsi, and that is going to be the end of my day. So that's going to be the end of my what I ate in the day video. I ended the day using 29 points. I was able to get in 40 ounces of water and just about 4,500 steps. I went for a walk and I did a little step video today to get some extra steps in. And also when I went to my Weight Watcher meeting this week, I lost 6.5 pounds, so I've been doing good. So that is how I've been doing so far on day 4 of the NEWvember challenge. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.